How to clean roller blinds. Roller blinds are an excellent choice for homes and offices, offering a sleek, minimalist look while providing privacy and light control. But, over time, they can accumulate dust, stains, and even grime, making your space look dull and less inviting. Don't worry, though. Cleaning roller blinds doesn't have to be a chore. Whether your blinds are fabric, vinyl, or blackout style, I'm here to guide you step by step with tips, tools, and techniques to make them look as good as new. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to clean your blinds safely and effectively without damaging the material, so they'll last for years to come. So grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get started. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more home care tips. Let's roll into it. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to vacuuming and wiping down your blinds, and washing roller blinds in the tub. Now let's get started. Method 1. Vacuuming and wiping down your blinds. Things you'll need. 1. Vacuum with brush attachment. 2. Large bowl. 3. Mild dishwashing detergent. 4. Clean sponge or dish towel. 5. Fabric stain removal, optional. Number 1. Pull the blinds down so they are fully extended. Depending on how long your blinds are, you may need to extend them past the point you normally do to make sure you can access the entire swath of material. You may be tempted to just clean the section of your blinds that is regularly exposed to the room, but if you do that, you risk discoloring the blinds over time. Number 2. Use your vacuum's brush tool to thoroughly remove dust and dirt. Plug in your vacuum and attach the brush tool so it is ready to use. Then, turn on the vacuum and start cleaning your blinds at the top, moving the brush wand from the left to the right, making your way down toward the bottom. Roller blinds can collect a lot of dirt, dust, and even small bugs sometimes. Vacuuming them first to remove what debris you can makes the wiping down process much quicker to complete. Number 3. Mix a mild dishwashing detergent in a bowl with lukewarm water. Use about 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of soap and 4 cups, 950 milliliters of water, and using a spoon or whisk, mix the water and soap until the water turns sudsy. Carry the bowl over to your blinds and set it down somewhere you can easily access it but where it won't be in your way. Avoid using any harsh chemical cleaners or soaps with bleach in them, as these can discolor your blinds. Number 4. Wet a sponge or clean dish towel in the soapy water, and wring it out. Fully submerge and saturate your sponge or towel so that it absorbs as much of the soapy mixture as possible, and then wring it so that it doesn't drip with excess water. If your sponge or towel is too damp, it will drip down your blinds as you clean, which can in turn make your floor damp. Number 5. Wipe the blinds, starting at the top and working your way to the bottom. Use a back and forth motion to wipe from one side of the blinds all the way to the opposite side, and continue wiping and moving down the shades until you reach the bottom. If you come across any large stains, spend a little extra time scrubbing that area. This method works well for blinds made of all different kinds of materials, from vinyl to synthetic blends. Number 6. Rinse out your sponge several times as you wipe down the blinds. Dip your sponge or towel back into the soapy water and swirl it around a few times to dislodge any accumulated grime. Then wring it out again before continuing to wipe down the roller blinds. If you notice that your rag is getting particularly dirty and doesn't come clean when you rinse it, swap it out for a new one. Number 7. Use a fabric stain remover for tough stains that don't come off easily. Read the manufacturer's instructions before applying the fabric stain removal, and then follow those directions carefully. If you're concerned about the stain remover discoloring your blinds, try testing it out on an inconspicuous section of the blinds first, like near the top where it normally rolled up. If there is a very tough stain that you can't get out on your own, it may be time to take your blinds to a professional cleaner. Number 8. Leave the blinds fully extended until they are completely dry. Because you didn't saturate the blinds with water, it should only take a few hours for them to fully dry. To be safe, leave your roller blinds fully extended overnight. Once they are dry, you can let them retract again. If you roll your blinds back up when they are still damp, they can get moldy and smelly. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Washing roller blinds in the tub. Things you'll need. 1. Vacuum with brush attachment. 2. Mild dishwashing detergent. 3. Soft bristled scrub brush. 4. Tub or large basin. 5. Drying rack or clothesline. Number 1. Detach the roller blinds and lay them out on the floor. Fully extend the roller blinds so that they are unrolled as far as they can go. Then lay them flat on the ground, either in a large room or in a hallway. Try to keep them out of the way of animals or humans that may be walking around. If you don't have a large enough space to lay out the blinds, fold them accordion style on the ground. Number 2. Use the brush attachment on your vacuum to clean up dust and dirt. Start at one end of the blinds and move the attachment wand back and forth, moving down as you go, until you have vacuumed the entire surface of the blinds. If you don't have a brush attachment, just use a dry, clean hand towel to wipe down the blinds to remove as much excess dust as you can. Number 3. Fill your tub with lukewarm water and add mild dishwashing detergent. You will only need to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons, 30 to 44 milliliters, of detergent. Make sure your tub is clean before you add the water and detergent, and fill the water up at least halfway. Check with your family before filling the tub to make sure no one needs to bathe anytime over the next several hours. Avoid using any harsh chemical cleaners or anything with bleach in it, as they could discolor your blinds. Number 4. Lay the roller blinds in the water and let them soak for 2 to 3 hours. If you need to, layer the blinds into the water accordion style. Make sure the entire body of the blinds is covered with the soapy water before leaving them to soak. Set a timer on your phone or on your kitchen stove so you don't forget about the blinds. Number 5. Scrub the blinds gently on both sides using a soft bristled brush. Start at one end of the blinds, and using your soft bristled brush, scrub them from left to right, moving downward until you've reached the other end. Then, flip the blinds over and do the same to the backside of the roller blinds. As you scrub, you can simply fold the cleaned part underneath the remainder of the blinds in the water. That way you don't have to deal with getting water all over your bathroom floor. Number 6. Drain the water out of the tub and rinse the blinds with clean water. Let the sudsy water drain out completely first, leaving the blinds in the tub. Then, either use a shower sprayer to rinse out the blinds, or you can refill the tub with clean water and rinse the blinds until they are no longer sudsy. If there is someone else home who can help you, have them hold the roller blinds while standing in the tub while you use the shower sprayer to rinse them for an easier rinsing process. Make sure to rinse the blinds thoroughly. Soap residue can attract dust and dirt and can cause future buildups in your blinds. Number 7. Dry the shades on a clothesline or hang them over the curtain rod. Don't try to put your blinds into the clothes dryer. Even if you could get them to fit in, the heat would damage the material and the tumbling of the dryer would misshape the blinds. Instead, leave them to air dry overnight. Depending on the material your blinds are made of, they may dry very quickly, within 2 to 3 hours. Just check to make sure they are dry to the touch and that there is no visible moisture on them before hanging them back up. Number 8. Hang the blinds back up once they are fully dry. You should now have clean blinds, free of dust and dirt. Set a reminder on your phone for 6 months in the future to remind yourself to clean them again as part of your regular home maintenance routine. If you notice that there are stains that didn't come out in the tub, it may be time to take your blinds to a professional cleaner. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Avoid using harsh cleaners on the fabric as it may damage the material. 2. Regular dusting and vacuuming can help maintain clean blinds. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.